presented with a table at the International KidsNFun Festival. As part of our celebration of Cambodian culture, we are excited to share with you one of our most treasured traditions, Khmer classical dance. Khmer classical dance is a beautiful and ancient art form, deeply rooted in Cambodia's history and passed down through generations. This dance is not just a performance, it is a spiritual practice, a way to honor our ancestors and a celebration of life itself. The dance was traditionally performed in the royal courts and is known for its elegance, grace, and deeply symbolic movements. One of the most captivating aspects of Khmer classical dance is the use of hand gestures, which are more than just movements. They are a language of their own. Each gesture carries a deep meaning and tells a part of a larger story, often depicting the life cycle of a flower, a metaphor for the cycle of life. These gestures are a form of meditation in motion. They connect the dancer to the divine and the natural world, conveying complex emotions and ideas through simple yet profound movements. Let me introduce you to the 4 basic gestures that form the foundation of Khmer classical dance. This is a tree. That tree will grow and will grow leaves. These leaves will then turn into fruit. These fruit will then drop and form into a new tree. These gestures are more than just symbolic. They are a way of connecting with the spiritual and natural world, embodying the philosophy that life is a continuous cycle of growth, beauty, and renewal. As you explore the Cambodian table today, we invite you to experience this rich cultural heritage firsthand. Join us in learning these gestures and discover the beauty and depth of Khmer classical dance, a tradition that continues to inspire us and connect us to our roots. Thank you.
Hi, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today at this festival, we're here to share the richness of ours and others' culture. It is with great pride that we're presenting you with one of the hidden gems of Khmer classical music, Bop Baloke, or Flower of the World.
Last round of applause for the beautiful performance.